Whenever we're out at car shows or car events, truck events, whatever have you, we often get asked, what exactly do you guys do? We see your stickers on all kinds of stuff, from big lifted Jeeps and trucks to lowered imports to tuner cars, muscle cars, classics, race cars. Our stuff is everywhere. Well, yeah, that's absolutely true. We have our fingers in pretty much everything. If it's not paint and body work, we're pretty much there. One of the things that differentiates Lucore Automotive from most of your toy shops is we maintain normal cars too. From daily drivers to work trucks, diesels, you name it, yeah, we do that stuff too. Wanted to give you a little bit of a quick behind the scenes on what a typical day here at Lucore Automotive looks like. It's a mix, everything from daily drivers to project cars, race cars, diesel trucks. Hey, this is what we do. So here you go. Let's take a little walk behind the scenes.